we're going to configure our firewall, and we're also going to know a little about SSH port forwarding. So why we use firewall? We use firewall to control the incoming and outgoing connections for our server. And the common way and the common choice for firewall on Linux is UFW, the Linux firewall, and we're going to use it. So let's at first connect to our server. I copy and paste the password, and here it may UFW installed default on your Ubuntu, but you can use sudo apt-get install UFW to make it update or install. And here we go to look what command UFW will have. If UFW enable, you can enable the firewall, and with UFW disabled it. And with UFW status, we can see the status of the UFW and also the allowed or denied port. And with UFW deny or UFW allow, you can make it deny or allow the port. At first, our important port is our MongoDB port. So let's UFW deny MongoDB, and we also want our UFW allow 18, UFW allow 1818, and UFW allow SSH, and UFW enable here, and you can see our app is connecting. Okay, and here our connection on this IP is not okay, but with UFW allow 6679 and UFW enable, our connection will be resolved. But with UFW deny 6679, our connection will not be resolved, and firewall will control these connections. But with so if you look UFW status, it's in MongoDB port denied, HTTP and HTTP ports allowed, SSH allowed, and this port is denied, and these are the ports on version 6 IP. So let me UFW disable and exit. Another thing